Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. A project selection guide is really a simple tool that allows an executive or a sponsor of projects or a project management office to essentially look across multiple projects and determine which one should be selected to be funded, or which current projects should be selected to receive continued funding if they're ongoing. So the idea behind a project selection guide is to walk through a number of different criteria or questions that tell you whether or not you should keep funding a project and select it. So assuming the projects are about process improvements, you want to potentially look at process improvements and the contributions that it's making. Are the projects focused on process improvements that are going to be meaningful? Are they meaningful in terms of the return on investment? And are they manageable in terms of how they're being managed and the resources going into them? So you can look at those three categories. You can modify the categories and change some of the criteria within them. But the goal is to quantify as much as possible which of those criteria are high, medium, and low, so to speak, for each of the projects, and then compare the projects based on their scores so you know which ones to select. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.